Hello Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in three-part videos of 14, 14 and 12. You will get two videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. Grade 6 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 6, Video Part 3, Question number 29. Okay. Which one among the following cannot be constructed by using only ruler and compass? So we can just construct the angles which is the multiple of 15 or the half, 1/4, 1/8. This type of angles can be constructed by using a ruler and compass. So here 85 is not the multiple of 15. So that's why 29th answer will be D. 85, angle 85 cannot be constructed using only ruler and compass. Okay. Come to question number 30. Consider the following statement. A triangle can have 3 or 1 or no line of symmetry. It is correct. An equilateral triangle has 3 lines of symmetry. Correct. Isosceles triangle has only 1 line of symmetry. Correct. And scalene has no lines, means 0 line of symmetry. Correct. So 1 and 2 are correct and 2 is the correct explanation of the statement 1. Option A is the correct answer. 30th answer will be option A. Okay. Come to question number 31. Which among the following figure has exactly 4 lines of symmetry? So square has 4 lines of symmetry. That is your vertical symmetry, the horizontal symmetry and the diagonal symmetry. Only the square have. Okay. For the rectangle, there is only 2 line of symmetry, that is vertical and horizontal symmetry. Here it will be 5 line of symmetry. Here it will be 4 line of symmetry. So that's why we will go with the option A. 31 answer will be option A. Question number 32. How many lines of symmetry does a regular hexagon have? A regular hexagon will have 6 lines of symmetry. The number of vertices equal to the number of symmetry. The 32nd answer will be option B. Question number 33. Which one among the following statement is not true? Okay. A regular polygon of n sides has n line of symmetry. It is true. N sides, n line of symmetry. A circle has infinite lines of symmetry. It is also true. A kite has 1 line of symmetry. Yes, there is vertical line of symmetry. A rhombus has no line of symmetry. No, it has 2 diagonal symmetry. This is wrong. 33rd answer will be option D. Come to question number 34. How many capital letters of English alphabet has no line of symmetry? So has no line of symmetry, answer will be option B. And what are those letters? So those letters will be your G, J, L, P, Q. I am writing here also G, J, L, P, Q and F, N, S, Z, R. F, N, S, Z, R. There are 10 letters. 34th answer will be option B. Question number 35. How many capital letters of English alphabet has 1 line of symmetry? Let's do it. I'm writing the English alphabets, all the English alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So first we will just cross all those which have zero line of symmetry, which we have written earlier. So G cannot be possible, J cannot be possible, L not possible, P not possible, Q not possible, F not possible, N not possible, S not possible, R not possible, and Z. These letters have zero line of symmetry. Now we just find the one line of symmetry. So you can see A has one line of symmetry. तो ये count होगा. But it is not written horizontal or vertical. So we can take horizontal also. B, one line of symmetry can be possible. C, one B line of symmetry. D, one line of symmetry. E, one line of symmetry. H, two line of symmetry, not possible. I, two line of symmetry, no. K, one line of symmetry. Okay. M, one line of symmetry. O, infinite line of symmetry. T, one line of symmetry. U, one line of symmetry. V, one line of symmetry. W, one line of symmetry. X, two line of symmetry. Y, one line of symmetry. So how many one line of symmetry? Just count here. तो कितने हो गए 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Answer will be D. 35th answer is option D. Okay. Question number 36. Which one among the following letters does not have two lines of symmetry? तो H has two lines of symmetry, ऐसे होगा. B has only one line of symmetry. It has two line. It has two line. So 36th answer will be option B. Come to question number 37. Which one among the following is incorrect pair of the word and its mirror image? So in the mirror image there are side by side flip, ठीक है? And in the water image there are upside down flip. तो mirror image में आप देखो F correct है, we have to find the incorrect. F correct है, A correct है, R correct, U does not show any change, K correct, H correct hai, A won't show, okay, B will show, A will show, and D will show. It is the correct pair. K correct, A correct, N correct, P will show the mirror impact. It should be like this after mirroring. Option B is the incorrect one. 37th answer will be option B. Okay. Come to the question number 38. Which one among the following statement is correct? The digit having only one line of symmetry is 3. Okay, it is correct. There are 7 digits which have no line of symmetry. It is also correct. You can just check. I am writing 1, 2, write 0 also. 0 is not like this. Actually, 0 is written like this, like oval. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these it has two line of symmetry. It has no symmetry, no symmetry, no symmetry, no symmetry, no symmetry, no symmetry. It has one line of symmetry and it has no symmetry. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits which have no line of symmetry. 0 and 8 have at least only two line of symmetry. Vertical and horizontal both. It will be two line of symmetry. So 2 lines of symmetry, it is also correct. Answer will be all of the above. 38th answer is option D. Okay. Come to question number 39. Which one among the following tools of two geometry box has two lines of symmetry? तो protractor कैसे होता है आपका? D, like this. So 2 lines of symmetry, no, there is only one line of symmetry. Divider is like this. How many line of symmetry? Only one line of symmetry. Ruler is like your rectangle. So yes, there are 2 lines of symmetry. This will be the answer. and compass has 0 line of symmetry. 39th answer will be option C. Come to question number 40. Which one among the following is incorrect pair of the word and its inverted image? Inverted image, you can say the water image. Okay? So Delhi, T will be same, E will be same, L will be opposite, H will be same, I will be same. It is the correct water image or inverted image. M is same, U will be opposite. नो नो नो, एम विल बी ऑल्सो अपोजिट. एम आपका ऐसे एम है, इन्वर्टेड में ये डब्ल्यू बन जाएगा. दिस इज रॉन्ग, इनकरेक्ट हो गया ये आपका. रेस्ट के अपोजिट, रेस्ट आर करेक्ट एक्सेप्ट बी. तो 40th आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन बी, इनकरेक्ट. Hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.